Exploring into the area of positive thinking, today's discussion centers on understanding why positive thoughts sometimes don't translate into the results we expect. Many accept the concept of positive thinking as a pathway to success and happiness, yet it's not unusual to feel puzzled when outcomes don't align with our hopes. This exploration will unravel the nuances of positive thinking, debunk common myths, and pave a clearer path for effectively harnessing this powerful mental tool. Join us as we look into optimizing positive thinking to truly benefit both personal and professional aspects of life. Positive thinking is widely celebrated as a key to personal and professional success. It involves maintaining a hopeful and optimistic outlook towards life's challenges, expecting good results, and holding on to the belief that things will turn out well. Often this concept is linked with practices like visualization, where one mentally pictures the successful outcome of their efforts, or affirmations, which involve repeating positive, empowering statements with the goal of strengthening mental resilience. The appeal of positive thinking lies in its simplicity and the control it suggests we might have over our lives. It's often featured in self-help books and motivational speeches touting the ability to manifest wealth, health, and happiness by merely adjusting our mental state. This concept also ties closely with the law of attraction, a philosophical idea suggesting that by focusing on positive or negative thoughts, one can bring positive or negative experiences into their life. As straightforward as it sounds, the journey of positive thinking is fraught with missteps and misconceptions. In the next part of this video, we'll look into why merely thinking positively might not be enough and why expectations don't always align with real-world outcomes. While the principles of positive thinking are alluring, they often come with the expectation that just thinking positively will lead to desired outcomes. This belief can set many up for disappointment when the results don't match their elevated expectations. The discrepancy between expectations and reality primarily arises because positive thinking, as powerful as it is, does not operate in a vacuum. It must be coupled with effort and practical actions. For instance, envisioning success in a career or personal project is motivating, but without the necessary steps like planning, skill development, and execution, positive thoughts alone can't bring about success. This gap leads many to question the efficacy of positive thinking when, in fact, it's the lack of actionable steps that often hinders progress. Recognizing that positive thinking is just one part of a larger puzzle is crucial. It boosts morale and helps maintain focus, but needs to be grounded in reality and accompanied by tangible actions. Another common pitfall is the misinterpretation of what it means to be positive. Positivity is often seen as a shield against all negativity, a way to bypass personal trials and hardships. But this is a fundamental misunderstanding. True positive thinking isn't about ignoring negative aspects or difficulties in life. Rather, it's about approaching these challenges with a mindset that emphasizes resilience and opportunity for growth. For example, facing a setback in a project or personal endeavor can be discouraging. Yet a positively oriented person might see this as a chance to learn and refine their strategies, not as a failure that negates their efforts. It's important to acknowledge that life's challenges are not roadblocks to positive thinking, but opportunities to apply it meaningfully. This approach encourages a balanced view where both successes and setbacks contribute to personal development and a deeper understanding of one's capacities and resilience. Understanding that positive thinking is not a standalone tool is essential. It is a component of a larger strategy that includes taking actionable steps toward achieving your goals. This means that while it's beneficial to maintain a positive outlook, it's equally important to back up your optimism with a well thought out plan and consistent actions. For instance, if you're aiming to improve your financial situation, positive thinking should be accompanied by practical steps such as budgeting, saving, and seeking new income sources. These actions ensure that your positive mindset has a solid foundation to influence real change. This blend of positivity and practicality creates a powerful synergy that can significantly enhance your ability to navigate life's ups and downs. By grounding your positive thoughts in actionable steps, you transform them from mere wishes into a potent force for real-world achievement. This approach not only increases your chances of success, but also keeps you motivated and engaged even when challenges arise. A truly positive mindset also involves a wide emotional range and the acceptance of all feelings as valid. It's a misconception that positive thinking means being happy or optimistic all the time. In reality, accepting a full spectrum of emotions, including those that are uncomfortable or seen as negative, is key to a healthy mindset. Recognizing and processing feelings like sadness, frustration, or anger is not anathema to positivity. Rather, it complements it by providing a more complete and honest picture of human experience. For example, when faced with a personal loss, acknowledging the pain and allowing yourself to grieve is vital. This doesn't detract from your ability to think positively about the future. It actually enhances it by processing emotions in a healthy way, preventing them from becoming overwhelming or leading to denial. This acceptance empowers you to return to your positive practices with a clearer mind and a strengthened resolve, fully aware that positivity includes resilience and the capacity to recover and move forward, not just the absence of negativity. While incorporating action and accepting a full range of emotions are crucial, the element of persistence cannot be overlooked. Consistency in applying positive thinking, coupled with persistent efforts towards your goals, significantly increases the likelihood of success. It's not just about having a burst of positivity or taking a few initial steps. It's about maintaining that momentum over time, even when immediate results aren't apparent. Persistence means continuing to apply your skills and efforts relentlessly, adapting to new challenges as they come. For instance, if you're working towards a promotion or mastering a new skill, it's your ongoing effort, reflected in regular study, practice, and improvement, that will ultimately make the difference. This sustained effort helps to solidify the benefits of a positive mindset, transforming temporary setbacks into learning opportunities and keeping you aligned with your long-term objectives. For positive thinking to be truly effective, it must resonate with your deeper personal values and the realities of your life. This alignment ensures that your positive thoughts are not just generic affirmations, but are deeply connected to what truly matters to you. When your aspirations and your mindset are in harmony with your personal ethics and real-life situations, your efforts become more meaningful and impactful. Consider the process of setting goals that reflect your values, such as pursuing a career that not only advances you professionally, but also contributes to you. Here, positive thinking is not just about personal success. It's about creating a vision that contributes to a larger purpose. This kind of goal setting enhances your motivation because it connects your personal achievements with the broader impact of your actions, making your journey more fulfilling and your positivity more potent. Reframing involves seeing positive thinking not just as a way to attract good things, but as a strategy to handle life's complexities with grace and resilience. It means setting realistic expectations, recognizing that challenges will arise, and being prepared to use positive thinking to navigate these challenges rather than avoid them. This more balanced approach allows us to use positivity not as a shield from reality, but as a resource for engaging with reality more constructively. While we wrap up our exploration of why positive thoughts might not always lead to the outcomes we expect, it's crucial to integrate the insights we've discussed into a cohesive understanding. Positive thinking is a powerful tool, but its effectiveness is significantly enhanced when it is realistically applied and supported by other essential elements like action, emotional acceptance, persistence. Rather than viewing positive thinking as a magic solution, consider it as part of a broader strategy for living a fulfilled and resilient life. It's about combining optimism with realism, actions with aspirations, and personal growth with people's support. By adopting this balanced approach, you not only increase your chances of success, but also enhance your ability to navigate life's challenges with a stronger, more adaptable mindset. I encourage you to take what we've learned today and apply it to your daily practices. Start small by aligning your positive thoughts with actionable steps, accepting all your emotions as part of the growth process, and seeking out that uplift your spirit. Remember, the goal is not to eliminate negativity, but to equip yourself with the tools to handle life's inevitable ups and downs more effectively. Reflect on this information, see how it resonates with your experiences, and adjust your approach to positive thinking accordingly. With these strategies, you're not just hoping for a better future, you're actively creating it.